Hello friends, I welcome you all to GK Update. On this channel, you will find content on current affairs and general knowledge. In this video, we will go through the important events which occurred in the first week of June 2020. So let's get started. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Finland? So the answer is Shri Ravish Kumar. Shri Ravish Kumar is an IFS officer of 1995 batch. He is presently the Joint Secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs. Named the 1956 Olympic sprint champion who passed away recently. So the answer is Bobby Joe Morov. So Morov won the 100 meter, 200 meter and 400 meter relay titles for the United States at the Melbourne 1956 Olympic Games. Named the newly appointed Managing Director of the India Infrastructure Finance Company Limited, which is also known as IIFCL. So the answer for this question is P.R. Jayashankar. So prior to this, P.R. Jayashankar was the Executive Director of National Housing Bank, which is also known as NHB. Which cricketer has been nominated for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? So the answer is Rohit Sharma. So the BCCI has also nominated Ishant Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan and Deepti Sharma for the Arjuna Award. Name the long distance runner who has been handed a 4-year ban by WADA. So WADA is the World Anti-Doping Agency. It's a Canada-based foundation and initiated by the International Olympic Committee to monitor the fight against drugs in sports. So the answer is Kiranjit Kaur. The Union Cabinet has approved renaming of the Kolkata Port Trust after which politician's name? So the answer is Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. So Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was an Indian politician who served as the Minister for Industry and Supply in Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's cabinet. Name the drug which has been cleared for treating COVID-19 patients under emergency. So the answer for this question is Remdesivir. So Remdesivir is a broad spectrum antiviral medication which is developed by American biopharmaceutical company Gilead Sciences. Which state celebrated its 32nd statehood day on 30th May? So the answer is Goa. So Goa became the 25th state in 1987. Before this, Goa, along with Daman and Diu, was an union territory. RBI imposed a penalty of Rs 4 crore on which bank for non-compliance of NOC norms? So the answer is Citibank. So RBI has also imposed a fine on 3 other banks. They were Bank of India, Karnataka Bank and Saraswat Cooperative Bank. Donald Trump announced termination of the US relationship with which organization? So it is World Health Organization. So basically World Health Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations who is responsible for international public health. Who took over the charge as Secretary in the Ministry of Steel? So the answer is Pradeep Kumar Tripathi. So Pradeep Kumar Tripathi is an IAS officer of 1987 batch of Jammu and Kashmir. So Tripathi succeeded Binoy Kumar, who superannuated on May 31st, 2020. Name the music composer, director and singer who passed away on May 31st, 2020. So the answer is Wajid Khan. So music director Sajid and Wajid Khan made their Bollywood debut with 1998 movie Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya featuring Salman Khan and Kajol. Donald Trump designated which far-left extremist group as a terrorist organization? So the answer is Antifa. So President Donald Trump has blamed Antifa activists for violence at protest over police killings of the African American people. Which company became the first private company to launch 2 astronauts in space? So the answer is SpaceX. So NASA astronauts Robert Behnken and Douglas Hurley took a 19-hour flight in Dragon capsule to dock with the International Space Station, which is also known as ISS. The Global Day of Parents, a United Nations observance, is celebrated on which day? So the answer is 1st of June. The day was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in 2012 and honors parents throughout the world. Who topped the annual Forbes list of the world's highest paid athletes? The answer is Roger Federer. Japanese tennis player Naomi Osaka is the highest paid female athlete. She is 29th overall on the list. Who has been appointed as the president of the CII? Answer is Uday Kotak. CII stands for Confederation of Indian Industry. Sanjeev Bajaj will be the CII vice president. Which state has become the first state to ready 1 lakh beds for COVID-19 patients? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has ordered setting up of testing labs in each of the 75 districts and increased the daily number of tests to 20,000 a day in the month of June. World Milk Day was celebrated on which day? Answer is 1st of June. So World Milk Day is an international day established by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations to recognize the importance of milk as a global food. Name the tropical cyclone which impacted the state of Maharashtra in the month of June. So the answer is Cyclone Nisarga. It was the second cyclone to strike the Indian subcontinent after Cyclone Amphan in the Bay of Bengal in May. Name the 15th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command. Answer is Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey. Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey succeeded Lieutenant General Podali Shankar Rajeshwar, who retired from service on 31st May 2020. Who took charge as the new Director General of Police of Himachal Pradesh? Answer is Sanjay Kundu. So Sanjay Kundu currently holds the charge of the Principal Resident Commissioner of Himachal Pradesh. Who will chair the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India Advisory Committee? So answer is T.V. Mohandas Pai. He is current chairman of the Manipal Global Education and was a former director of Infosys. Hope you all found this video useful. You will find the link for the second part of this video in the description box. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.